Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the Telegram cache on your PC using Telegram Desktop. Clearing the cache can free up storage space and improve Telegram's performance if it has accumulated a large amount of temporary files. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then click Settings. Now scroll down and open Advanced. Inside the Advanced section, click Manage Local Storage or Storage Usage, depending on your Telegram desktop version. Here you'll see how much storage Telegram is using for cached photos, videos, documents, and other temporary files. These cached files help Telegram load media faster, but they can also take up a significant amount of disk space over time. To remove the cache, click Clear All Cache or Clear Cache. Telegram may ask you to confirm the action. Click Clear to continue. After a few moments, Telegram will remove the cached files from your computer. Your chats, messages, contacts, and downloaded files that you choose to keep will remain safe. Telegram can automatically download media again later when you open those chats. Clearing the cache is a useful way to free up storage space and keep Telegram running smoothly. That's how you can clear the Telegram cache on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.